Are you tired of seeing your money just sitting in the bank doing nothing? What if I told you that in 2025, high interest rates could actually make you money if you know how to use them? Stay with me, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn these rising rates into real opportunities. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm your name, and today we're diving into a super important topic: how to take advantage of high interest rates in 2025. Now, I know interest rates might sound boring to some, but trust me, if you understand this, you can actually make smarter moves with your money and even earn extra cash. So let's get started. Okay. First, what are interest rates? In simple words, interest is the extra money you get paid when you keep your money in the bank or invested. And when interest rates go up, you can earn more money on your savings and investments. In 2025, many countries are increasing interest rates to control inflation, which means this is a good time to make your money work for you. 1. Open a high-interest savings account. Look for banks or mobile banking apps offering higher interest rates on savings accounts. Some banks may offer 4% to 6% or more per year. This means if you keep $1,000 in the bank, you could earn $40 to $60 a year without doing anything. 2. Invest in fixed deposits or certificates of deposit (CDs). These are accounts where you put your money for a fixed time, like 6 months or 1 year, and the bank gives you a higher interest rate in return. In 2025, many banks are offering great rates on fixed deposits. It's a safe way to grow your money. 3. Buy government bonds. Governments often issue bonds with good interest rates. These are super safe and give you a fixed return after a certain time. It's a smart way to invest your extra cash during high interest rate periods. 4. Reduce high interest debts. Now, here's a warning. While high interest rates are good for saving, they're bad for borrowing. If you have credit card loans or personal loans, pay them off as fast as possible, because the interest you'll pay on these can also go up. Use money market funds. These are special types of funds where you can invest your money and get higher returns compared to regular savings accounts. They're usually low risk and a great option when interest rates are high. So, those are some of the smartest and simplest ways to take advantage of high interest rates in 2025. Remember, even small financial decisions today can make a big difference in your future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my upcoming money tips. And tell me in the comments, which one of these steps are you going to try first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.